Releasing boat anchors is a magnificent scene, and these are indeed larger than you might think. This is the process of handcrafting paper from raw wood. Watching her professional work, it's evident that youth is truly talented. This creative approach needs to be more widely promoted. I've seen many videos of extremely dangerous scaffolding. Using machinery for transportation not only keeps things neat, but also saves effort. Truly wonderful. Making safety barriers like this is quite a task, but a few intoxicated men just need to crash into it to finish the job. It turns out that those drawings and symbols on the road are created like this.